Okay, so I'm going to be unboxing this Ridgid table saw utility vehicle that I just got at the Home Depot on sale for $200 off. Today is May 7th, 2020. And I'm excited, let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, now that I have this unit finally assembled, it took me a little while to do. And it goes like this, it locks into place, and then it goes back up like this, locks into place that direction. Now we're going to figure out how to get the saw out of the box and onto this. Okay, I've got my Ridgid table saw utility vehicle assembled. I just have to put on a few safety mechanisms, but it's pretty cool. So you step on this, it sort of slips up like that, locks into place. You can wheel it around, get it out of the way, put it in the back of your garage. You got yourself a table saw. Now I need to cut some wood. Let's see, we'll wheel it on over here. We'll set it down like this, locks in place, and you're ready to go. Hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe and like this video, share it with your friends, and there'll be more to come. Talk to you later.